Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator at Häfele America Company, and we are in studio today to talk with you about pairing and programming this simple remote switch for Häfele's Loox LED lighting. Let's get started. We offer an individual remote switch that is less complex than the larger remote and can mount in small, recessed locations for easy control. This switch allows control of one custom zone or all zones simultaneously. The first step is to plug the two cables of the remote receiver into your driver. The ports that you use on the drive don't matter. Next, remove the battery cover from the remote and insert the battery into the remote, then replace the cover on the battery compartment. Notice the dial on the back of the switch with 9 different numbers ranging from 0 to 8. These numbers correspond to the control of each custom zone, all zones, and the pairing function. Let's rotate the dial to number 7 using a small flat blade screwdriver. This is the pairing number. Press the button on the remote receiver once and it will begin flashing blue. Now hold down the power button on the remote switch until the blue light no longer illuminates. The remote switch and the remote receiver are now paired. Next, let's plug in a light to C1 on the remote receiver. To control this light, you must first flip the switch on the remote to 1 on the dial. Now the light will turn on whenever the switch is pressed. You may also dim the light or raise the intensity by holding the button on the switch. If you want to control multiple lights, you can use a distribution block plugged into C1 with the remote dial set to 1. Now let's plug in 3 more lights. We'll change the remote switch dial to number 0. This allows the remote to control all of the custom zones simultaneously. Again, you can hold the button on the switch to dim the lights or to raise their intensity. If you need to reset the switch, flip it over, change the dial to number 8, and hold down the power button for 5 seconds. Now you can see the switch no longer works on any of the dial settings. To pair them back together, change the dial to 7, press the button on the remote receiver, and hold the power button down on the remote switch until the blue light on the remote receiver turns off. The remote switch is now paired with the receiver. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. I'd like to encourage you to watch the rest of the series, which you'll find on Häfele's YouTube channel at youtube.com/Häfele America Co.